Your toilet has 125 colony-forming platoons of bacteria waiting to invade your home like a swarm of brand new recruits' first meal in the mess hall. That's 34,000 troops marching on an army of one. So I gotta ask you, are you prepared to defend your territory? Then let's take your bathroom back. This is the Mahaton Sterilizer for your toilet. A highly intelligent UVC LED secret weapon built to quickly and effectively terminate your toilet enemies faster than a bunk turned down at dawn.
Wow.
And tech so easy to use, a civilian could master it. Try this, soldier. Now look here. Installation is a series of demanding and precise steps. Hoorah! And with one simple change in your battle plan, you have an EPA-confirmed line of extra protection from illness-causing agents like Staphylococcus, norovirus, E. coli, Shigella, and Streptococcus. Because this modern marvel of in-home warfare emits a deadly 275 nanometer UVC light at regular intervals to eliminate the DNA and RNA strands of bacteria, germs, and dust mites on anything you want. Toilets, bed sheets, smartphone, dishware, keyboard, toothbrush, even the insides of those swamp-smelling mud mashers you call shoes. In fact, the power of UVC LED deep UV disinfection technology is so effective, it was not only used by NASA, but is FDA, CE, and SGS certified safe for battling bacteria, and is disrupting the innovation market in clean water purification worldwide. Now that's a good piece of gear. The operation is simple. Once installed, press and hold the on button, then release it to put Mahaton into standby mode. Place it in the mount, and throughout the day, the Mahaton Sterilizer for your toilet will sterilize your toilet every hour, pausing only when it detects action, like a fellow soldier on the field. The Mahaton Sterilizer's UVC LED light works in 3 independent modes. In vertical mode, the Mahaton LE-C light sterilizes the seating area. In horizontal mode, the Mahaton's UVC rays sterilize the bowl interior while firmly affixed to a quick release bracket just under the lid. And in handheld mode, you can sterilize anything. It's simple to use, perfect for travel, easy to charge with a long-lasting battery, and features an easy-to-understand series of light indicators to identify functions in real time. Protecting your home from the bacterial army is a hard-won battle. But with the Mahaton Sterilizer for your toilet, you might just win the war.